Hey guys, hope you are doing well. In this video I will show you how to get discount coupon from Udemy support. Udemy is wonderful platform to learn new skills, but some of my viewers end up paying full price for a course. Never do that. Talk to support of Udemy and they will provide you with a discount coupon. So please stick around and watch this video till the end. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Step 1. Go to your Udemy profile icon and click on Help. Step 2. Click on Getting Started and click on Help and Support in the bottom right corner. Step 3. In the blank step just type hi or any message of your choice. Step 4. Click in the blank space and you will get a pop-up Get in Touch. Step 5. Choose Chat and fill in your name and your email address. Step 6. Now simply ask the agent, could you please provide me a discount coupon? Step 7. After a few minutes, the agent of Udemy will provide you a discount coupon which will be valid till 7 days. Congratulations, you received a discount coupon for your Udemy course. Apply the coupon as I demonstrated in the beginning of this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. Please share, like and subscribe to this channel for more such contents. See you in the next one. Bye, take care of yourself and your family.